Ecomm Checks by Ramin Popal. Hello friend and welcome to this video review. Today we're going to be discussing about Ecomm Sharks review, and this is another e-commerce program. Okay, I mean there are a whole lot of e-commerce programs I've reviewed that a whole lot of these guys create several courses around. Okay, and they've been able to sell a whole lot of copies of their courses and make a whole lot of money. So let's discuss about Ecomm Sharks by Ramin Popal. And as you can see, it's a program that promised to guide you through the three-step process to start and build a successful e-commerce business. Okay, so in this review I'm going to take a closer look at these, and let's see if it lives up to the claim. All right, as you can see him on the screen is a notable figure who has made the transition from being a social media influencer to delving into the world of e-commerce. And with a substantial following, this guy has a whole lot of following on various social media platforms, and his presence cannot be ignored. Okay, so now let me check the auto screen. As you can see, Ecomm Sharks program. I think this is where you log in. This is the dashboard and everything. So let me check the order page. Okay, so right there you can see how students and 9-to-5ers are making an extra $5,000 to $10,000 per month by selling simple products with 1 to 2 hours of work per day without ever seeing, touching, or shipping the product. So this is drop shipping, okay, whereby you do not have to see the product, you do not have to touch it, you just sell, and from the supplier it goes straight to the customer and all that. So this is a good business. Dropshipping has been in existence for a long while. Okay, and talking about this program, you're not gonna get the price directly. You always have to first join this email. Just you can see, get your free case study now. So the moment you put your email there, you get pieced, probably speak with his own closer, and like that. Now enrolling for this program, we got pitched like $5,000. Okay, and although it depends on you, if you have any experience, you can also share them in the comment box. Tell us how much you got charged. So that is it. By the closer, you will get charged $4,000. So that is about the pricing, in case you want to know. It's more of an i-ticket program. And when I also check some reviews online, some also claim $4,000, some claims 3,000, 5,000, like that. It depends. Okay, it depends on how much you get charged. Okay, so now talking about my honest opinion about this program. Okay, the first thing you have to know is your goal. Okay, now talking about if this is reliable, first of all you need to know that dropshipping is a very, very competitive niche. Okay, a whole lot of people are already into dropshipping, and a whole lot of people, like, there are just several aspects under dropshipping. We have pre-built store, custom stores, a whole lot. Okay, so what you have to know about dropshipping is that whatever products you want to sell, you need to embark on thorough research and needs, because there is our assurance that several other people also are selling that same product. Okay, so you need to have a very good marketing arsenal, a very good marketing experience, okay, for you to be able to scale in the dropshipping marketplace. The people who are making a whole lot of money from dropshipping are those who are even selling the courses. Okay, someone like Ramin, like this, who are selling, who already authorized themselves as a coach in the dropshipping niche. Okay, and they are selling courses on it. That way they are making a whole lot of money. But if you are practicing dropshipping yourself, then you need to know that a whole lot of people are into it, because people want to sell. Okay, they want to sell something, and they want to have their own product, they want to have their own brand, they want to have a Shopify store, so whereby they can list stuff and they can get people to buy. Okay, now he's saying here that 9-to-5ers, what you have to know is that dropshipping is not just a set and forget kind of business. Okay, because if you're a 9-to-5 type of person, you go to work, and by the time you come back, you need to have time for your kids, right? At least you spend little time with your kids. Then dropshipping it's not like, maybe it's not good, but for 9-to-5ers, I don't see dropshipping for 9-to-5ers, because you have to, at least you have to monitor your progress. Okay, it's not something you can just sit there and forget. You need to be the one that will handle customer complaints. You need to be the one that will check if your card is working, your checkout is working well, a whole lot of stuff. All right, and to see if your heart is converting. If it's not, then you're gonna be wasting and burning a whole lot of money on your advert. So except if you can delegate it to an agency, and that is also gonna cost you a whole lot of money. So dropshipping is not just a set and forget stuff. So that is why for 9-to-5ers, I don't really see dropshipping as a good one. Okay, if you're a 9-to-5er, I'm not saying you can't succeed, but if you're a 9-to-5er, you're looking for a way to make money online and it's dropshipping, then you're gonna struggle a whole lot. All right, because you need to have the time for it. You need to monitor your progress. You need to see how things are going. It's not a set and forget type of business whereby things will just be going on rosy. Nah, okay, nah, it doesn't work that way. Okay, so that is what you have to know about dropshipping. However, does that mean you can go for it? No, you can. But this program is even on the high side. But I would suggest you go ahead. Probably, maybe when you're watching this video, watching this review, the price might have come down. So you can go ahead, sign up with this guy, listen to the price. Okay, but if the price is too much, around $4,000, it is so much. I can't just suggest you go ahead for a program like that, because you're also gonna be spending the money on, you creating your Shopify store, spending monthly money on Shopify, and not everybody is even getting results with drop shipping and a whole lot of stuff out there. You need money for hard budget again, so you need a whole lot of money. So meaning by the time you even want to set up everything, aside the 4 grand that you'll be spending, you might still need to have an extra 1 grand or maybe 2 grand, like $2,000 or $1,000 for you to get started. So that is kind of on the high side. You can see, so it's not even about you buying the course or the program, it's about you also needing the money to get started. That is what a whole lot of beginners do not know. Now if you're an intermediate or an expert, you can go ahead, give this a try. It's your choice, because you've already been making money with dropshipping. You just want something more extra for you to learn more, which is normal. But for a beginner, or now, except if you have that huge money and you feel like, oh, let me just spend it, Maverick, let me just give it a try, let me risk it out, it's fine. You're also probably gonna learn something, and as a beginner, you learn it. Except if the the customer support is bad and nobody's even listening to your complaints and all that. But if they're listening, then you're good to go. Okay, so that is it. Okay, that is what you have to know about dropshipping. I have nothing much to say, but I would just say, as a beginner, probably you can decide to first give it a try for like starting out for free, using free tutorials online to learn about how dropshipping works. Or if you want to give it a try, if you're being charged $4,000 or whatever, don't just pay straight. Okay, you can decide to maybe start with $500 and learn from him. Don't just pay everything at once. You need to be extra careful, okay, so that you don't burn all your money and you're making these guys rich while you're still broke. Okay, so you have to be very careful about that. So that is it. That is my best review about this. And if you are like, okay, Maverick, are you into dropshipping? No, I don't do dropshipping. What I am into is majorly affiliate marketing. Although I have some people doing dropshipping, but I do affiliate marketing, because with affiliate marketing, it's a set and forget stuff. It's even very perfect for 9 to 5ers, because you are you set everything up. You're not the one handling customer complaints. All you have to do is just to send traffic to a product, and it's even a digital product, not a physical product. So everything is being done online, and you make your money online. Okay, so once you send the traffic, the owner of the product finish the rest. So you're not even having any dispute with PayPal or anything. All you have to do is just to collect your commission when the product is being sold. If you want to learn more about this, you can click the link in the video description, or check the screen. You're gonna see a link there. It's gonna take you straight to a page, which is gonna put you through on how you can get started with this. And for you to know, whatever I'm sending you to doesn't belong to me, it belongs to my mentor. Okay, I've recommended this to several of my viewers and a lot of people, and they always appraise me that, Maverick, thank you very much for recommending this to me. So that is why I'm also recommending this to you. So it doesn't belong to me, it only belongs to my mentor. Okay, I don't have any course, I don't have any program. All I do is make review, do my affiliate marketing, and I'm good to go. Okay, so you can give this a try also, and it helps you out, and I hope it helps you make money online as a beginner and someone who wants to make money online. At least make your first dollar to $100, $1,000, $10,000, $100,000 to $1,000,000 on the internet market space. Okay, so thank you very much for your time. You can click the link, video description, or check the screen, the link is there. Go straight to that link and use it to make the best decision for this year. Peace and enjoy the rest of your day. And also don't forget to hit the red subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I drop new review videos. And also hit the thumbs up button, like button, so that YouTube can recommend this video to several other people out there. And I wish you the best of luck in your online and internet marketing journey. Peace and enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.